Today, class, we will be watching this man roll into this water. And that is our presentation. Thank you for watching.
The funniest thing I've heard, dude. Some girl asked Cole on a date through Instagram and said, I just want to eat food out of the trash with you.
And he didn't respond. That was a scam. She's cute. He didn't respond to her inviting him out because she was cute. he thought it was a scam.
She's cute and she wants to eat out of the trash with me. This can't be real. And then you leave her on red.
Yeah.
Cause why?
I thought it was a scam. I thought for sure it was a scam. That's the girl that took me to Hawaii.
No way.
Yeah.
What in the freaking world? He took you to Hawaii?
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
What? I was trying to see the pretty girls, so I hold this up to block the sun. They look over at you and you're like, hi. And you're holding a hamburger. Why is that guy showing me his hamburger meat? There was two girls, and then when I went to look, it was just a girl and a hamburger. One of them, I guess, turned into a hamburger or something. Oh, women are so unpredictable.
1 minute she's a girl, the next minute she's a hamburger. The funny thing was that I didn't do it like, oh, this is gonna be a funny thing I'm gonna do. Like
I know, like you noticed yourself doing it.
I'm like, am I really holding the hamburger up to block the sun?
Can you help me out? What do they do?
It's like,
It's really hot out, so I brought my car indoors so I could roll the window down.
You look beautiful. So beautiful. Would you like to go somewhere tonight? We can go dancing.
Look at her with that lipstick on. Chewy kitties.
What's up, man?
Hey. Catch anything?
No, nothing.
Ah! What do you know? Chris is tinkling.
I didn't.
I was laughing so hard, dude.
He almost took off with you.
Chris, you were playing rocks again?
That's not. It's still called playing rocks no matter what you throw. He grabs one of those birds by the long neck.
Throw another one. You wanna try?
I didn't know that was a thorny bush.
How far can you skip rockets?
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, that was really good. Wow.
Come here, Daddy.
Oh, look at the puff of.
I got it in my mouth.
What in your mouth?
Hurry, get in, Gus. Hurry.
Okay, back off.
Duck down and have put the grate on.
I'm so sorry, dude.
Stay in.
Oh.
Yes.
It smells like
I slipped, I swear. I tried to like fall forward.
We didn't get to do it. Get in, dude.
Oh.
Come on. 30 seconds and we'll take it right off. Here, you pick up one side, I get the other.
Fingies.
Got your fingies.
Imagine just walking around here and
Hey, come here, help me out.
Oh, I'm sorry. You guys are still holding that?
Nice job. It actually put it in place. Yeah, you put that in its place. Gus is like, I ran into your dad the other day. He was like, oh, no way. Where'd you see him at? He's like, oh, your house. Gus is like looking through their window at like 12 at night. Hi. Well, hey, good to see you. What are you up to?
They're like,
Gus, what are you doing? Yeah, it was so cool to see them again. I haven't seen him for a long time. We just happened to run into each other. Where'd you see him? Oh, through their window at night. My dad looks over. He's like, he like pulls the blanket up. What are you doing? He taps my mom. Hun, someone's at the window.
She grabs like
My mom grabs a baseball bat. My mom, what are you doing? My dad's gonna watch this and be like, hey, I like the vlog, but I didn't like that part. One of the guys I used to work with, he'd be like, we're gonna trim this tree and we're gonna trim this tree as well also. And so me and the other guy would make fun of him and say as well also too. We're gonna trim this tree and then this one as well also too. So
She loves to have a pet. She loves to pet Dick.
Can she pet me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, she likes to have.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Paula.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, she loves.
Good girl. Oh my God, she's so cute. What did you say her name is? Pola?
Pola.
Pola. Pola, poop on him.
Like polar bear.
Pola. I'm such a good boy, aren't I? I'm a good boy. All right, thanks for letting her pet me. Why have I never thought of that before?
I felt so weird. I felt so weird.
I felt uncomfortable.
I just looked at you. I couldn't bear to look at it.
And we're all recording them.
Yeah, I hold the big camera.
do that.
We need
Have all these cameras here.
Dude, that is funny. That is so funny. That is funny.
Oh, is that the scrap guy?
We got a car door in the back. Do you want it?
Yeah.
You do?
Pull in front of me.
Okay.
Oh, that hurts.
The door just falls out and breaks.
And he doesn't know and he keeps driving.
He gets in trouble for the drink.
He gets a fine.
Oh.
He drives out when he drives off without knowing that it fell out. And waves at us. Thank you. Dad, tell that story about your dad and the kid you had over who had like small ears or something.
No, yeah, big ears. We were sitting there playing a board game, and my dad's like, "Damn, you got big ears. You could probably hear a mouse fart." And the kid started crying.
You hear a mouse? Only your dad would think of something like that.
Yeah. He went home.
Ah, it's so funny. It's like mice are small, and so their farts are even smaller. And so, in order to hear that, you have to have really big ears.
That man said I could hear a mouse fart. Well, can you?
Well, was he right? That must have been sitting in your dad's mind. He thought it was so funny that he's like, I can't not say this. I gotta say it. I know he's gonna have to see a counselor when he's older, but